Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can solve your problem. The problem is that your phone number cannot be used by iMessages and also in FaceTime. So may face that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad, when you just put the SIM in your iPhone, and you may face issue in your iPhone that iMessages and FaceTime is not connecting. So in this video, I'm going to show you some steps you have to follow to fix your issue. First of all, I'm going to tell you the step of how you can fix your iMessages. Just simply just go to search section, and before going to search section, we just make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. Simply just go to general section and just scroll down, and you see that there is an option of VPN and device management section. Just tap on that and just disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just go back and just search messages. If you find a messages, just go to the message section. If you don't find, just simply search a messages and just tap on that and just scroll down, and you see that there's an option of iMessages. So may face it that your phone number cannot be used for iMessages. Make sure that it's toggle turn it on. After that, simply just go to that section where you can see your number on that section. So I don't put in SIM on that phone, so your phone number is not showing. So if you just put the SIM in your iPhone and just not connected with your iMessage, make sure that you just out the SIM from your iPhone, and again put in iPhone SIM in your iPhone, so you make one problem solved. And also phone number is showing in that section, I just stick the number from here. After that, you just go problem solve in messages. So your phone number also connected with iMessages. After that, settings. So that is the iMessages settings. After that, simply just follow some steps. You just fix your FaceTime issue. Simply search FaceTime and go to FaceTime, and here you just scroll down, and you see that default calling app. Just tap on that, and here you just make sure that it's turned on FaceTime. And also if you want to call, just call or tick on phone number. If you found to FaceTime face video, just tick on FaceTime. After that, you just go back and say that there's a toggle of FaceTime, so make sure that you turn it on. Many users it's not turn it on, so make sure that it's turn it on in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, simply just go to that, scroll down, and you see that it's showing my email. So make sure that it's showing your phone number. If you sim in your iPhone, so it's showing your phone number, so make sure that it tick on your phone number. After that, simply scroll down and also turn on that toggles which you're showing on my sections. Make sure that toggles, and also make sure that you just calling that person which you have blocked, so not have to block it. So you just have to unblock it for that section, and here is just showing that there are many members which are blocked. So make sure that you just unblock that person which you want to contact in your with your FaceTime. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.